Hello guys, how to be here. Welcome back to another video, and today I'll show you how you'll share your status, WhatsApp status in other social like Facebook and other social. So we'll just start to find the WhatsApp. Yeah, that's the WhatsApp. Let's open the WhatsApp and you'll have to go to your status bar, the status section. So while I tap in the status section, the new screen will pop up and you will have to just load from your device. You can just press in the plus sign, but rather I will just write a status like just let's type what can be a good WhatsApp status, and in my mind we'll just type, let's say, life. I'll have to just setting the keyboard setting first. Life has no, let's go to the down and CTRL plus chat. This status is actually very much deep. If you know, you know. So you can go back to your old life, or old situation. So time is constant, it will just go on. There is no pause, there is no back. So my status already been ready, so we'll just publish it here. And yeah, as you can see, the status already been updated. And now what you will have to do, you will have to just share to Facebook story. As you can see, the button has been pop up in the down, so we'll just press the share button, and as you can see, you will have to just load the application like Facebook. Yeah, and you will have to just set as a profile picture or newsfeed or your group or your story. So I'll just going to select as my story, as there are many options, like you can choose it as a profile picture, or you can send it to your newsfeed for like normal friends or friends of friends or public people will just be able to check your WhatsApp, and you can share it in your any groups and specific groups. So I'll just press your story and it will redirect the application. As you can see, I've been already been redirected, so I'll just press the share button. And not mentioned, you can also share it on the other platform like Instagram. So that's a very great thing. From Facebook it will auto share with the Instagram. So as you can see, it's been already been loaded and it's been loading yet, so we'll just keep wait while it is loading. And yeah, it's been ready. As you can see, no views yet. And yeah, that's all from today, guys. Hope you all enjoyed the video, and there is other edit option also, you can try by your own. So yeah, that's all from today, guys. So hope you all enjoy the video, and if you're new, just subscribe and hit the bell notification button for more interesting WhatsApp status. So yeah, see you all soon. Till then, have fun, good luck, and peace.